Welcome to the ultimate cat breed IQ test, where your curiosity might not kill you, but your ego could take a hit. Let's find out if you're a clever kitty or just chasing your own tail. We're starting with the catwalk royalty, the household names with more followers than you. If you don't know these, you've clearly never been owned by a cat. This cat looks like a snowball with an attitude problem. Ragdoll. Has a squished face and the confidence of a movie star. Persian. Majestic, floofy, judges from the top shelf. Maine Coon. This one always looks like it just woke up from a nap it didn't approve of. Scottish Fold. If elegance could purr, it'd look like this. Siamese. This cat is sleek, sassy, and knows how to side-eye. Burmese. Fluffier than a cloud made of marshmallows and superiority. Himalayan. It's like someone painted eyeliner on this cat permanently. Egyptian Mau. Muscular, spotted, and possibly training for a jungle audition. Bengal. This cat is built like a loaf and naps like it's a sport. British Shorthair. Large, fluffy, and secretly in charge of your household. Norwegian Forest Cat. This breed thinks curtains were made to be climbed. Abyssinian. Hairless, but somehow still looks smug. Sphinx. Wears a velvet coat and gives side eyes for free. Russian Blue. Fluffy tail, regal stare, and probably owns a crystal bowl. Turkish Angora. Okay, now we're pouncing into deeper territory. These cats are Instagrammable, but not always on your radar. Time to separate the casual purrers from the true cat-intellectuals. This cat has curls tighter than your secrets. Devon Rex. Looks like it's about to recite poetry or haunt a mansion. Chartreuse. Spotted, wild-looking, and might critique your outfit. Aussie cat. This one's so silky it might slide off your lap. Balinese. Has the voice of a soprano and the sass of a diva. Oriental Shorthair. Loves water more than your houseplants do. Turkish Van. Smaller cousin of a lion, bigger drama than a soap opera. Somali. This one's coat looks painted on with royalty in mind. Burman. You'll hear it before you see it. The drama enters first. Tonkinese. This fluff ball looks like it just emerged from a fairy tale. Neva Masquerade. When Velvet met attitude and made a cat. Bombay. Looks like a smoke cloud had kittens. Nevelung. Has a Roman nose and Renaissance drama energy. Exotic Shorthair. Not curly, not straight, just fabulously chaotic. La Perm. Silky ears, bright eyes, and possibly casting spells. Havana Brown. Welcome to the level where cat names sound like spells, and breeds you've only heard whispered in vet clinics. Let's see who's the real cat whisperer here. Sounds like a wine, acts like royalty. Singapura. The teddy bear of cats, but with the personality of a boss. Selkirk Rex. This cat is the result of chaos, fluff, and elite vibes. American Curl. Tail like a pom-pom, energy like an anime character. Japanese Bobtail. Zero tail, full commitment. Manx. The kind of cat that shows up in magical forest legends. Kimrick. It's got curls, and it knows they're better than yours. Selkirk Rex. A minimalist masterpiece with a purr. Korat. Named like a Bond villain, acts like a shadow. Vermilla. So rare, probably shows up in museum tours. Sakoke. And that's a wrap on our perfectly puzzling cat trivia. If you got 0 to 10, you're still in kitten training. 11 to 25, you've got some serious catitude. 26 to 35, you clearly sleep in a bed full of fur. 36 to 40, correct? You're basically a cat in a human costume. Go ahead, scratch that like button, claw the subscribe, and leap into the next quiz. Until then, stay hysterical and always land on your feet.